Okay, so now step 1 is to assemble the motors over here. So we can do check first. You got the motor in the two different wire. One wire is shorter and the one wire is comparatively longer. Okay, so take the one long wire. Okay, now put the motor this in front area. The long wire motor is over here. Okay, so put wire like this. Okay, okay, you got it wire like this. Okay, then it just do it the screw over here. Okay, now put this wire inside this, and this wire is goes to over here like this. Okay, so this is the do the same process for first and second motor. Now third and fourth, take the shorter wire. Okay, do the same process for there. Okay, inside this over here first. Okay, first, and then take this wire and this back area like this. So wire is coming like this. Okay, so got it that these two things similarly. Now just tighten the screws and your assemblies look like, I can show you how it's look like this. You have to put the two screw each end part. The wire should be go like this and this like. Okay, this is the simple things that we can do it. This two screw over here, wire go tight, and this. Okay, this is the motor assembly that you got. Okay, okay, now I can explain you how to put the propeller over inside. Okay, so now we take the any one motor, so you got the idea about this. Okay, so that is, you can see it, we already installed the propeller over here. You got this kind of propellers over here. Okay, so you need to take and read it this propeller. Okay, inside it's mentioned at the like 4024. Okay, and the one another propeller you can see it, that is direction is this 40240R. Okay, so what we need to do, the R is your over here. This we call this the first motor, then second, then third, and it's four motor. Okay, so in first and second we can put the only 4024. Okay, that's without R, and over here we can put this with R, 4024R. Okay, and for how can you put it? Okay, the motor put it, we can do it like this simply. Okay, just push it. Okay, and attach the screw. You already got the screw like this. Okay, over here. Okay, just push it over here and just rotate. You got the screw lock, and then do the Allen key. Okay, so you got your propeller is secure. Just put it the two screw in each and every part like this. Okay, each and every motors you need to put the two screws like. Okay, and then tighten up though, that's look like this. Okay, that's 4024 and this one is 4024R. Okay, and do the same process on the diagonally. That's both are same, this both are same. Okay, and you have a like two pair of propellers in every kit, so can make sure you can use the which right one propeller for you. Okay, thank you. Okay, now step 3, we can assemble the main board, where you open this box like over there. Okay, you got this PCB. This PCB have a over the LED lights over here. It's your ESP, and we already installed these wires and this antenna over there. Okay, so you got already installed over here. So now what's the things? The first step, you need to take a 3 boxes, that's flight controller, that ESC, and that GPS. Okay, you 3D needed. Okay, and you need a one Allen key like this. Okay, so using this Allen key you can easily fit at this all drones without any other Allen key. This 2 mm Allen key. Okay, so now what can do it, take these things. When you open the box, you got these screws and you got this ESC. Okay, so now what we can do, we can assemble ESC over here. So over is the back part, this is the still front part, this round one is the back part. You can see it, that's the 4 hole, the 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to match this like, okay, this part is above over here, okay, and this like, okay, just this, and put these screws, okay, inside over there, okay, and you can fit it the ESC like this. Okay, you can fit it the ESC like this screw is upside and this one is the back side. Okay, so you can use same like this, okay, over here, and it's so it's like the assembly of the ESC. Once you completed the ESC assembly, now it's time to do the assembly of the flight controllers. Okay, so what can you do it, take the flight controller, you have a 4 screw over here, okay, you can got it. Okay, now you got this flight controller. Okay, so you can see over here is the arrow actually. So what we need to do, just flip the flight controller and arrow should be in the back side. Match this arrow, over here is also arrow. Okay, so match this, and over here you can see it, there is the 4 screw, same, the 1 2 3 and 4 screw over here. Okay, so you need to match like this. Okay, but before doing this, what we can do it, we can assemble these wires. Okay, so doing this assembly of the wires, what we can do it, this is the ESP wires. Okay, this is our ESP connection, this is for the LED connection. Okay, so what we can do it, just flip at this, okay, and arrow should be on their back side, put this wire inside like this over here. Okay, and these 2 wires goes to like this. Okay, over here this wire is goes to over here, and this wire this goes to or it's a, you can just make sure over here, like over here you need to do these things as a like this. In the first part you can match this edge, okay, like this. Okay, over here you can check I cannot spare the edge actually. Okay, so you can fit it like this same. Okay, so now it's done. Now you need to do like just adjust the wires and do like this. Okay, the fitment. Okay, the another things you need to do, that is you need to assemble this wire inside over there like this. So you can do it just this on like this. Okay, so you can put it this also like together. Okay, this kind of things we can do it. So once you assembly completed, it's look like this. You can see it, we put it this wire over here same, okay, as we put it over here. Okay, that you can see it things. Okay, that's over here like same. Then second wire is go to over here, and third is over here, and it's over here. Okay, and ESC and things are connected like this similarly. Okay, this is your final assembly that you just get it over here. Okay, now we can go to the third point, it's like the GPS call. Okay, so for GPS you need to take the GPS first. Okay, like this, here's the GPS, you got the screw inside, same things. Okay, you got the small screws. Okay, so you got it over here, you got the 4 screw already by defaultly over here. Okay, so what you need to do, okay, so you need to do just put this wire, okay, and any kind of wire, okay, no problem this which wire side is right or wrong, just put and put the hand over here like this. Okay, and put this wire over here. Okay, this is the wire. Okay, now what you need to do, make sure you need to tape it. So we already send you the cover over there. Okay, so use it that. Now just rotate the GPS. Okay, make sure this red one is direction is front. Okay, like this same size. Okay, now you need to just put the 2 screw over there, that's 1 2 3 and 4 screw. Okay, so its final look like this. You can get the 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, this is the main things, that is your whole board is ready. Okay, so this final look of this boards is look like this. You got the ESC, you fitted the flight controller, you fitted the GPS over here. Okay, and this GPS wire is should go to like this. Okay, and this wire is over here, second wire is over here, third is fourth. So you need to just connect the total the 5 wire. Okay, so over we can send you the diagram also, so you can get the over update from also. Okay, and in back side you can see it, you need to do not do anything, but make sure your all nuts, this lock nut should be on upper side, no nuts on the lower side, that is only screw over that. Okay, so this is look like this is the final version of these things. Okay, thank you. Okay, now it's time to put this PCB inside this. Okay, so what we can do, okay, take this PCB, okay, and just first take what to do, just take this as a out. Okay, now just slide like this. Okay, and inside this. Okay, so you got the all wires are above this side, over this side you can take the plug something or just pick the wires outside. Okay, and fit the screws over here, the 1 2 this 3 and 4. Okay, this 4 wire you should to stick over here. And what we need to do now, we need to do the soldering part. Okay, so what we can do, solder these 3 wires like over here, it's 1 2 3. Okay, these 3 wires, these 3 seams is like 1 2 3, and this 3 is similar to 1 2 3, and this one is for this 3. Okay, so you can do these things. Okay, and now it's time to, you already got this kind of zip tie also. Okay, in every box. So what we need to do, just take a zip tie, okay, over here and combine with this wire and all things. Okay, do these things. Okay, so we can tie up the our antennas and all things. Okay, just tighten up these ESCs. Okay, the zip tie like this. Okay, and just cut it the extra parts using this any something tools. Okay, like this. So you can do same process for the all 4 motors. Okay, like this. So what the benefit, the wire cannot go anywhere something. Okay, and it can tighten up, so it's secure for to do any hazards. Okay, like this. So it's now do the same process for the other 2 motors also, and solder this wire over here. Okay, that's ESC, and then we can do the next step is like configuration of these drones. Once you complete the assembly, this GPS antenna you need to assemble first. Okay, so I can just remove it first. Okay, now when you got your kit, you got the GPS antenna like this. Okay, just take out from this. Okay, and over here you can, this screw is little bit moving. Okay, so not what to do, just attach the screw first like this. Okay, and then just hold it with the 2 finger, that particular screw. Okay, not this one, because this one is just not tighten up, but you can using the screw actually. Okay, this one. Okay, like this. Okay, but make sure you cannot break this one or any other. Okay, just make sure like this. Okay, and do the tighten up full. Okay, it's not fine. So your final look is look like this. Your screw is like you see 1 2, then 3 and 4 is connected over wire. You can see over it's like this can go. We take the wire inside it, but you can take it as a above side also, there is no issue, the both way is fine. Okay, and you can see we can just tighten up these all things. Okay, like screws over here, and these all things are ready to almost. Okay, now it's time to take the batteries and check the things are on or not. Okay, so battery, you got this kind of batteries, that the 2S, the battery will go like inside this, it's little bit tighten up. Okay, so you know to what to do, just do and like this. Okay, and the batteries goes inside this, and put this match with this area with this circle. Okay, like this, and you can see it, your drone is turned on. Okay, So once it's turned on, all things will be fine and good. Okay, this light is blinking and you can hear the sound also, and you can see that flashlight is also turned on. Okay, so now it's time to, we can go to the connect the computers. Okay, and it's see these things are now turned on. Okay, now we need to put the upper cover. Okay, what we can do, you can do it the one sticker actually. Okay, that where you got this number I can tell you on the when we go the setup. Okay, so we just is a 26 number drone. So what we can need to do is just no need to any screw or something, just match with this like. Okay, and just put this as just press it like this. Okay, so your drone will be ready. Okay, this is the your finished drone. Now we need to remove the battery just over here and just slide it out at battery. Okay, and slide inside the battery when you want to use it the remote. Okay, this is the drones that should be the final, and the it's perfect for us. Okay, thank you.